guys have a good reputation.
Hey everybody, I'm Matt Selhorst, Pleasure Boat Specialist at Hall Marine Lake Wylie on a 2014 Sea Ray 410 Sundancer. This is a beautiful boat designed to entertain and just enjoy the water with all your family and friends. You've got a great cabin down below with a full galley, sleeping for 6, and then up top here you've got some great conversation pits, some great seating areas, and a grill with an entertainment area. Just a beautiful boat to hang out with your friends here at the Mid-Atlantic Boat Show.
It's about 27 feet long and very lightweight, close to 25 pounds. So one person can easily carry it as long as you don't run into things with it. It's extremely tippy. You have to have both oars in the water. You've heard the old saying. People don't always recognize that the seat slides. A couple of good things. One is that you never have to buy athletic shoes for these boats because they're already bolted into the boat. It's just like real life. You never really know where you're going. You know where you've been, but since you're going backwards, you're not quite sure where you're going.